Uh, Claudia,
Reiner.
Claudia, I know a lot of pharmaceutical companies outside the European Union. They have the idea to access the European market by first accessing the German markets
Mhm,
by taking the fast track or the fast lane
mhm,
over the discount contracts, which are a result of the public tenders, a peculiarity in the German market, like we have in Italy too, and in the Netherlands too, that public health insurance express their purchase demand by publishing it and invite you for an offer.
mhm.
So, and
That's a
yeah,
really big step, it sounds like. How can PSE provide strategic support to those companies?
oh yeah, we can do a lot,
Mhm,
a lot for them. The very first public tender in Germany, it
mhm,
was in April 2007. That was the time when, briefly after that, PSE has been founded.
mhm,
And since that time, we collect all the metadata of the public tenders of the health insurance in Germany. And we have 95 health insurances in
mhm,
Germany. That is amazing. Um, and if you examine this data, you can answer, for example, how often has a certain molecule been published? When do we expect the next publishing of the same molecule by the next contracting authority? Who is uh, the most successful bidders in all the years?
mhm,
Who is a bidder strong or weak with a perspective of a certain molecule?
mhm,
We also can answer the question: how big was the purchase volume, how many packaging are they asking for? That is important to the budgeting and the product planning procedure.
mhm.
And we also can forecast it. We cannot forecast it on the single pack one. We can give you a shoe size.
Okay.
That is good enough.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So, one of the big questions
yeah,
that a company may want help in answering is whether to bid at all. What advice can you give?
yeah. First of all, I would like to explain the penguin effect at this
Okay.
in this moment. If a group of penguins is standing on an ice in Greenland, and as soon as the first penguin jumps into the water, the rest would follow.
Mhm,
But if no penguin jumps into the water, you should not be the first penguin he jumps and deliver a voluntarily discount to the health insurance. Not necessary.
Okay.
So in other words, we have firstly to consider how many competitors do we have in the market. Does the bidder is the bidder able to serve the relevant portfolio? For example, if they ask for 12 pharmaceutical forms and he has only 5 out of 12, it does not make sense to bid because he will not be successful. No, that is just 2 examples.
Okay.
So all in all, Claudia, it is a multi complex environment, and it is highly regulated.
Mhm. Yeah, sounds like it. What if a company is unsure which dosage forms to produce in which quantities in the future?
Uh, you can ask us
Mhm,
for sure, and that is exactly the point. We can break the data down to the single pharmaceutical form. What dosage strength?
uh-huh,
What application form? What pack size?
uh-huh,
What is the conjugation to the molecule?
mhm,
And yeah, exactly. We can do that. We can answer this.
mhm,
Yeah. And we even could give him a recommendation, probably not to register for a certain application form because in the German landscape we never observe, for example, a powder or suppositories or what else for a certain molecule. That is
mhm.
something we can answer. So we have to be able to keep an eye on all these details.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. You really have to pay attention. It's like, for example, if three witches are watching three watches, which witch is watching which watch?
yeah.
So, you got
Exactly,
to be on your toes.
exactly, exactly. Yeah, yeah. You asked me from the strategic
Uh-huh.
perspective. Now I ask you because in the tender management, you do the tender management here at PSE, Claudia, and you do it well. What can you offer our customers, or what can PSE offer our customers from an operational side perspective?
So on the tender management team, if the customer wants, he can give us a list of molecules which we monitor, and then if on the TED, there's a call for a kind of molecule, we'll send you emails, we'll keep you updated, and then if that company wants to make a bid, we help with all the paperwork. So we analyze the documentation, we keep due dates in mind, we collect data, fill out the forms, and we're always in touch with both the health insurance companies and the pharmaceutical manufacturer. So we can really help.
I remember from the past, we had a few times the situation. A bidder wanted to send in a bid, and he said, "Oh, we do not yet have the product in the market. We still need the registration. Can we offer him something?"
Oh, definitely, that too. Yeah, we can register PZN numbers, for example.
What does PZN number mean? What is for the customers outside? That is a German peculiarity.
It's German, yeah. It's Pharmazeutische Zentralnummer, so it's pharmaceutical central number, but with a Z in German.
Yeah.
So we can help acquire that for the product, but we can also help with the packaging, the mock-ups, any of that.
Yeah. Claudia, I remember we began collecting the data in 07, 08 at PSE. And we began to do the tender management. It was in the year 2012. And I counted it. It is from there to now in May 2026, it is roughly 630 different offers we prepared. We never had a formal mistake. We have always been in due time. How is that possible?
Well, it's because of the tender management team. We work closely together, and we support each other. We double check each other's work, and we're always in a communicative loop. So we know about each other's work.
Is that all? I guess you have a secret. There's a business secret. How you do that we have no mistakes.
Rainer, there are people watching. I can't give away secrets.
They are
company
watching
secrets.
us.
Yeah.
Okay. Claudia, it was only a test. I know it is a business secret.
Okay, good.
But thank you.
Okay.